I just chugged this water bottle and realized it never recorded, so I got a new one, a brand new one. Also still sealed. Do you mind? Like, this isn't for you. Ew. Ew.
For all my stalkers, hey, you want to drink a Mountain Dew? Because we can have one. Oh, I failed, y'all. Oh my goodness. I don't know if I have any more. My eyes are literally watering. And they be dry as fuck.
Thank you so much. Okay, that one was an accident. Thank you. What the? Okay. Oh my gosh, another one. That one was weird. That was so loud. I'm so sorry. Excuse me. Alright guys, I just lost on Fall Guys on Twitch, so I have to chug this. Made me funny as fuck when she rages. Ow. Ow. Shit. Ow.
Holy shit.
So I'm sitting in LA traffic and I just wanted to come on here and
tell you guys about the special talent I have. A lot of people think I'm really talentless and I just, you know, use that one site where you sell fans. But I'm actually super talented. So I can burp on command. What's your special talent? Are you not impressed? I mean, I think it's pretty impressive.
It went inside.
โอ้ยมีแห้งยาวบริสุทธิ์ดับกินปากได้ดีมากทุกคนตื่นสอบมาน้ำลายบะบูดนะคะทุกคนค่ะSó pra não perder o costume.